Here's how you can actually create Revolt business account. So creating a Revolt business account is very easy and simple. So you must watch this video till the end to understand how you can make a Revolt business account. So making a Revolt business account is as same as making a basic Revolt account. So first of all, just search up Revolt business account. There we have it. So first of all, we got Revolt business account, and let's search up a business account pricing, because the pricing is must, because that's the one thing that that will require you to get access to business account. So that's basically the website of the Revolt, as you can see. So let me clear everything for you that it's very stable and good. As all can see, it says 10k plus new businesses monthly, 25 currencies supported, 130k cars issued monthly, and 100 plus currencies supported for payments. But 100 plus countries are very few, as all can see. I'm just going to show you in 1 second. So as all can see, you can only make business account in Islands, Australia, Austria, Belgium, Bulgaria, Croatia, Republic of Cyprus, Czech Republic, Denmark, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany, Guernsey, Greece, Hungary, Iceland, Ireland, Isle of Man, Italy, Jersey, Latvia, and many more countries just like that. So there are a very few countries, and we don't know if they might work in your country or no. But before making a Revolt business account or buying any account pricing or something like that, you must confirm that you're from one of those supported countries. But after making sure, and as you can see, the business account has its own perks. Discover new ways to pay suppliers and employees instantly at rates you can beat. Forget about high fees, alright? And make and take new payments all in one place. So business account has its own benefits, and it will give you smart card for smart business. And yeah, so if you're into it and you got your country in it, so you can just do it. A Revolt business is very useful. So how do you make an account? So you just press join now, and it will bring up something like this. And as you can see, it's telling me welcome to Revolt Business, everything you need to run your business in one place. All right, so you could create a corporate account, get your company on Revolt, so you can get your own corporate account. Or if you're a freelancer, get a freelancer account for Revolt activity. Or if you're joining a company, just ask the company to send you an invitation and you can just join it. So it's up to you, but let's just go for a corporate account. And country for incorporation, as all can see, it shows my country, but I press continue. As you can see, sorry, we can onboard you. Unfortunately, at the moment, we are unable to open accounts for individual companies, and based on my country, you'll be contacted when the account opening is eligible in your based country. So as I told you earlier, so it doesn't support all the countries, but it shows all the countries. But let's say you're from Belgium, you just press Belgium and press continue. As you can see, it will show you something like this, and you have to put in your email. I'm gonna put in my email. There we go. Verify email address manually. And they sent me a code. Let's check the code if I got the code. Oh, there we go. We got the code. It's 28342. There we go. Now it's gonna ask for my phone number. So there is the last and final step that is gonna ask for your phone number. So if you're from any of these supported countries, you could get the phone number. But let's try my luck if I could get my country in it. I'm gonna put in put my phone number. Wait a second.
Then
All right. I just put in my phone number, and as you all can see, when I give my phone number, it says something went wrong. But once you've successfully put in your phone number, it will just send a 6-digit code, and just put in the code, and you'll just be in your Revolt business account. And after that, you can pretty much do your business and stuff on that. But yeah, let's talk about Revolt, their own personal and business stuff, so I can clarify everything. So when you go to here again, so as all can see, you got many options just like card payments, and let's go for a pro version. And as all can see, if like you are a freelancer and you are using a business account, you could go for Revolt Pro. So like a pro freelancer, get the account, get the free account, and card you get the account and both everything for free, and you can do side hustles on it. But I think my account, yeah, but like as all can see, it requires number. But if you're like from the supported country, you could like get it. So yeah, it's pretty much the same. And you could just go for like and as you can see in business, it got many other options, just like essentials, multi-currency account terms, transfer cards, spend management, treasury, currency exchange. So once you like get access to your account, so let's just talk about its pricing. As you can see, pick a plan tailored to business to your needs. So it depends on you if you're a freelancer or a company. So let's just say you are a company but you don't know. So you can get your custom tailored experience, or you could go for a scale. So it has their own perks, as all can see, a lot of perks. So let me explain the perks. The first one is basic. In basic, you get no international fee transfers. It has 0, but with Go, it has 5. For skill, you got 25, but for enterprise, you get custom, and you can just give a custom value. So no local fee, it transfer, you get 5. In here, you get 100 and thousands of it. So the basic one is for free. You just get the basic one if you like starting up with new, and you get Swift account details and transfer your Vault accounts. So it has pretty much every perk that you could get. But if you're like really into it, I would suggest going for Grow, cause it got like every single thing, and it's a 19 euro per month. So I think that's a steal for a deal. So yeah. And once you made your account, and I showed you earlier that how you can make your business account. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can make a Revolt business account. So I hope I helped you guys out. Peace out until then.